Welcome ladies to this video, Year 12s. What I'm going to do in this one is just going to be short. I'm just going to run through these two exam questions that I left you with after our last lesson. As you can see, I asked you to try it after you'd tried the exercise so that you can see, I guess, how these sorts of questions have been asked in the past. So how simultaneous equations have come up in exam questions in the past. So as you can see, we're given two equations with this one, and the information given is that this set of linear equations does not have a solution. However, we want to know what the value of k must be if it doesn't have a solution. So the first thing that I consider is that if it doesn't have a solution, that means that when I try and set up my matrices in that form and then I try and solve like this, I don't have an inverse for matrix A. So that means that the determinant of that matrix must have been equal to 0. And so here what I would do is set up what that matrix A would look like using the numbers that I have here. So it would be 2.8 for x, 0.7, then I've got 1.4, and I've got k. And of course, when I do my AD minus BC, so I've got 0, the determinant, which it's equal to 2.8 times by k, so that's A times D. And then I'm doing minus B times C, so 0.7 by 1.4. And then I just put that into my calculator and solve it, and then I get k is 0.35. And so, of course, that would be E. So just for your own knowledge, about 55% of the state in 2013 answered that correctly. The second one was very similar as well. This one has got them set up. It's got the simultaneous equations already set up in our matrix form, A times X equals B. And you'll see that we're told this time no unique solution. So just remember that when they say no unique solution, we are still talking about the same situation, and that is because inverse of A doesn't exist. So just like before, this is a bit easier because it's already set up for us. A times D, so 12 threes minus 9 times M has to give us 0. So for that to work, M is equal to 4. There we go. This one was a little bit higher, maybe because it was already set up so nicely for the girls or for the students in 2016. So 63% got that one right. So I'll stop this video here since I just wanted to cover those two. Hopefully you did have a try of them, and hopefully as well you were successful with these two questions.